Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Meals by Mary. Some mornings you just need something fast and fulfilling, but still not boring. And this 10-minute one pan sausage breakfast is just that. So let's make it together. First, drizzle a bit of olive oil in your pan and add your chopped onions. Once they start sizzling, toss in your chopped bell peppers. We like to cut them into small bite sized pieces for quicker cooking and better texture. Stir everything together and just let it cook until it starts to get some color. Next, add your sausage, also cut into bite-sized pieces. We're adding it now because it doesn't take long to cook. After a few minutes, when the sausage is nicely browned, add your mushrooms. Mushrooms cook super fast, which is why we're adding them last. Once everything is cooked, season with a pinch of salt and pepper. You can also add your favorite herbs or spices like thyme or oregano. Now lower the heat and sprinkle some cheese of your choice, and this is optional. I'm using mozzarella for that perfect melty texture, and I will top it later on with some Parmesan cheese. And that is it. You can have this as a sandwich or even on its own. This dish is super quick and versatile. If you don't like sausage, make it with bacon or even without meat. So I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.